Hi guys, Chad here. Just want to come and give you the 5 tips to review your home insurance and auto insurance today with your insurance agent. The first reason is most of us like to set and forget our insurance. We pay our bills, it's on automatic payments. We don't look at anything. We get our paperwork in the mail, we don't review it. We put it in a drawer, we throw it away. We never review it. That's the first reason you guys should review your policy. You do this for years and years and years, you have no idea down the road what you really have. The second is our risk levels change throughout the years. Whether that's we've accumulated assets, we've accumulated, there's more drivers, there's more vehicles. Different risk levels mean that you should have different insurance coverage levels. So, if you have the same coverages you had since you were 16 years old, your coverages are going to be out of date. You're going to probably need a lot more coverage. If you were a renter and now you're a homeowner and you haven't ever reviewed your liability limits, now's the time to do it. That's the second reason. Third reason is you want to understand your deductibles and how a claim situation is going to pay out. So you know your coverages. So if there's a claim tomorrow, do you know how much you're going to be paying out of pocket? Do you know if you have a rental car? Do you know if you have med pay? These are things you need to know. So from time to time, you need to just get a refresher course on what you have. So the best way to do it is just call your agent and say, hey, I want to know what I have. If I get into an accident, what's my deductible for collision, comprehensive, and just kind of get a grasp on where your policy's at. Because if something happens tomorrow, you don't want to be surprised. That's the number one issue that happens in insurance is people are surprised how a claim is paid out and how their coverages actually work. The next reason is there's always new coverages and options on a policy. So sometimes companies will come out with different coverages that you didn't even know existed. Or, you can get some small little coverage that, for example, like a towing coverage that didn't exist last year, and now they offer it. You want to enroll in that. So that's why you always want to just make sure that you have the latest coverages, you're not missing anything. And that'd be the fourth reason. And the last reason is, really just to check your discounts. Discounts sometimes will change. But if you haven't reviewed your insurance in a long time, there's discounts sometimes that you can be getting that you may not have because you haven't spoke with anybody about your insurance policy in a while. The best way to do that, if you get in touch with your agent, they can review it, they can ask the right questions, they can make sure they're applying everything that needs to be applied. And, sometimes you could save some decent amount of money with those discounts. But those are my 5 tips for you today on how are the reasons that you need to contact your insurance agent to review your insurance policies today. So go ahead and do that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.